Really quick before we roll out of Mulegé, this is the river that runs like through the town all the way to the ocean over there. It's super, super beautiful. There's like palm trees lining it all up and down. There is an RV park behind us where Ross and Kate are dumping their tanks right now. Puerta Don Chano. And it's freaking beautiful. It's like a little jungle area. Every single RV stall is lined with like jungle plants. So super, super beautiful. And we are now gonna hit the road.
The next morning. It's currently 5 a.m. Location, Baja California. Bay of Concepcion. And today we're going for a sunrise hike to like a private beach, apparently. I don't know. Let's go.
What are you guys doing here this early?
Oh shit, he's coming towards me.
With like the tiniest little red. So freaking awesome. Oh, there's another one. It's right here. It's right here, guys.
Where?
Right there.
I don't want to be Steve Irwin now.
You're just a little bit.
Where is he? The sunrise was so majestic and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's our campsite down there. Do you see our campsite?
He's like ducking under my arm right now.
It's pretty nice. Vendors come around with ceviche and items for sale and bread. I've been told bread, which doesn't really matter to us, but. And there's a bar and a restaurant.
It's a beautiful spot.
Ooh, our ceviche is gonna be ready today. We made ceviche last night. I'm so excited. Breakfast ceviche. The adventure, huh?
Yeah. Filming right when I'm about to call.
We had to do this.
That's the whole idea.
At 5 in the morning.
Oh,
It's a little trek across.
It was earlier.
The tide's moving.
That's, well, no.
I'm
We
just
hiked
getting
up
it wet.
over there behind that.
Just don't get your phone wet.
Water resistant.
Go, Scout, go! Go, Scout, go! Go, 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 go! Get Mom! Get Mom!
Come here, Scouty.
What is that? So, after a sunrise hike, we've just been hanging on the beach, and this spot is really cool because vendors come by with all sorts of items, rugs, hammocks, this and that. They come by with bread, ceviche, all sorts of food, so you can just basically hang out here. You can buy trinkets and all that stuff. We're at, what is this place called?
I have no idea.
Concepcion.
No. Oh, Bahia Concepcion.
Bahia Concepcion. And it's really cool. There's little palapas where you can hang out in. We have our hammocks hung up. And there's even a vendor that comes down with kayaks. So we're going to go ocean kayaking right now. And let's go.
last day of January. And we are heading south from Bahia Concepcion to Loreto. And we are going there because on Sundays they have a organic produce market, which is, we've been hearing, is the best organic produce market in Baja?
Sure.
I don't know.
Probably in Baja. It's very big.
It's very big, it's very popular, but it's currently only on Sundays, so and only open for a few hours, so we wanted to make sure that we got there to check that out and buy some produce early in the day on Sunday. So it's about a 2-hour drive from where we camped last night, so we are getting in our driving portion early today during sunrise, and it is quite a beautiful sunrise over this bay.
And then after the produce market, we were heading south to La Paz. Today is going to be roughly like a 6 hours of drive time. It'll be a much longer day, but then we're pretty much down in there, and everything of like La Paz, Todos Santos, Cabo is all going to be a 1 hour hop basically from each other. So we're really close to everything now.
Yeah, so we've made it, once we get down to La Paz, we've made it pretty much down to the very bottom of the peninsula, and we will be in that area for the next week at least. So we are currently driving around Loreto looking for the farmer's market, and we don't know where it is because the GPS that took us there was an empty lot. So maybe it's down in the main town, we don't really know. But,
Or it's canceled.
Or it's canceled.
Which would be a bummer.
Yeah, but we're driving around this town, and it's a nice little beach town. It kind of reminds us of Santa Barbara in some ways. So.
What's the plan?
Question is, do we need breakfast?
You guys need breakfast here? Do you need breakfast in your truck?
A want versus need, you know.
Do you want to or do you need? There's a couple of breakfast places on Google Maps, or we can just grab some things from our trucks and go.
It don't matter to me.
You can always eat breakfast.
So apparently the market is closed, or they're no longer doing it because, I don't know, I think with COVID they couldn't do it anymore. So I guess the guy is supposedly who runs it is doing it at his farm, or having trouble finding it. And it kind of seems just a little weird. We're getting directions from a fisherman. So I think we're gonna skip it and head south to La Paz. I think we're taking a little break.